Secure a French twist with a stylish chignon pin. Start by gathering your hair into a low ponytail and use your fingers or a brush to smooth the hair. Then start twisting the hair and bring the twist up against your head. Gently spread and lay the top layer of the twist so it sits neatly. Depending on the length of your hair, tuck the ends behind the twist or fold them down and push underneath the twist. Using the square top chignon pin, place the legs of the pin on either side of the twist, then flip, catching some of the scalp hair, and gently push the legs of the pin through the twist, securing the hairstyle. You can either leave the top of the chignon pin out as a stylish accessory to your hairstyle or push it all the way down to hide from view. A chignon pin from Good Hair Days is a practical way to incorporate function and style into your updos.
Subscribe to the YouTube channel for real-time, step-by-step instructional hair tutorials using this product and many more. Available and proudly made in the USA by Good Hair Days, a woman-owned, family-operated hair accessories manufacturer since 1996.